not another mundo solo cover. Gusto ko lang pag-usapan tong sixth intervals na tinatawag lang. So simply put, it's just the formula 1-1-6. So you can take any note from the major scale, no. In this case, alam natin na G major yung yung key nitong mundo or C lead yan. Pero pasimplihan natin, G major na lang. So G major scale. So any note from that scale, starting with the G note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you have it. That's the first interval. Tapos if you move up the neck, kasi halimbawa dito sa third note, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One trick that I use para makuha yung intervals per chord is you can just take any chord. Halimbawa, C major 7. Kasi doon yung mundo, di ba? So you can take the 5, the 5th note, and then the 10th. The 10th is same as the 3rd lang naman eh. So yan. Yan. Kapag nasa D ka, A minor. Yun. So yun yung isang use ng ng intervals. You can just use it as a chord tone. So makikita nyo din dito sa sa C. Yan, may ilan siyang sixth intervals dito sa chord pa lang na to. Another use ng intervals, it's to add some sort of movement or sequence dun sa solo nyo. Tulad ng ginawa ni Blaster. Pwede ngang pababa eh. Tulad nung sa, ano ba yung song na yun? Till Death Do Us Part. So itong sixth intervals, maganda siya, interesting yung niya, yung sound niya kasi siya, far apart. So hindi siya nagke-create ng masyadong tension. And if mali naman yung bagsak nyo, hindi chord tone, halimbawa nasa C kayo, bumagsak kayo dito, that presents an opportunity for movement. Pwede nyo ibabayan. O pwede iakyat. Pwedeng ascending, pwedeng descending. You can lead with a higher note, tulad nito. Or you can lead with a lower note. Tapos you can also do the same sa ibang strings, no. Pababa tayo. You can even play them at the same time. Another use, pwede nyong gamitan ng chromaticism kasi pag pag familiar na kayo dito sa shapes nito, you'll realize na may magkakatabing shapes, no. So halimbawa ito. Pwedeng ganon. Ganon. You can even skip an interval when doing a sequence. Halimbawa, or it gets you from point A to point B, no. Pwedeng pababa dito sa neck or pataas. Yan. So ayun, try sixth intervals. Just count again 1 to 6 from any note in the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try playing them at the same time. Descending or ascending, leading with a higher note, or leading with a lower note. You just have to be creative sa fingering kasi you'll realize na pag dito sa depending on what you're leading with na note, medyo tricky yung fingering dito kasi pag halimbawa ito ginamit nyo, ayan o, diba awkward? So ano nyo na lang, explore nyo na lang. Ayun, try nyo 1/6 intervals. Tulad nung ginagawa ni Blaster, gamit na gamit siya sa blues, jazz, country music. Ayun, G.